come up the hill.
Okay.
Jan's gonna be a hooligan.
Nice.
Nice.
That was pretty sexy.
The one on the way here was shit, but on the way back was great.
Yeah, that one was pretty good.
And I used no lift shift. Did it sound pretty sweet? Oh, I didn't have meth on. It's way more poppy with meth. Damn. Damn. Oh, you still filming?
Yeah.
Dude, look at that squeak. No, with the meth, once I do the no lift shift, it just pops. Forgot to turn that on.
It's a Yanmobile over there.
Dude, the school bus just pulled up.
Cool. So what do you think?
I think mine's louder.
I agree.
Just because there's more horsepower behind it. Like, it's just down to that. They both sound really good, but mine hits you in the chest.
I feel like yours is a little more raspy.
It is.
But I like it.
I like it too.
All right, cool. Yeah, his is more poppy. Snack, crackle, and pop. Alright guys, so we just did a Magnaflow test. One's K04, one's stage 2. And I mean, I don't know if you guys can hear it on the camera, but I do agree that Nick's is it is louder. It's more raspy for sure.
It just has to do with higher power. It's more air being pushed out.
Right.
So.
Right. So yeah, just this will be our Magnaflow test between yours is a Eurojet. All right. So where are we at?
Describing what.
Okay. Yeah. So you have a
Eurojet downpipe with the 3" to 2.5 reducer to the Magnaflow catback, which actually goes from 2.5 to 3 in some sections, and then down to 2.75. It's a hodgepodge shit.
Yeah, it's weird.
Yeah.
So mine is basically the same thing as his. It's just mine is a SPM downpipe with a SPM test section.
Both are test pipes.
Yeah.
Both are. His is SPM. Mine is Eurojet. Both are V-band. So it's essentially just catless downpipe.
Yeah.
To Magnaflow catback.
So overall,
and I will note, since it doesn't come off in these videos, since we're just fucking flooring it, I had the Eurojet catback before this. It was full turboback, and I switched to the Magnaflow and could not be happier. The drone is gone. There's no drone. The Eurojet catback is great if you don't have a downpipe. But the moment you get a downpipe, it just drones on the highway like no one's business. And
by the way, the cars are on right now.
They're on right now. The Magnaflow at 3,000 RPM goes straight silent. I don't know how, but if you're not on the gas hard, it's gonna drive like stock, and that's
it's awesome. Honestly, I haven't had any other exhaust, but from what I hear, all those custom exhausts and stuff like that, I mean, this is honestly the most easily daily driven exhaust I have ever experienced.
But it is louder on the outside, so beware of that. Whereas the Eurojet is not as loud outside. So mine's actually for sale. If you want it, it's a good catback. I don't recommend it with a downpipe. My personal preference. However, some people say the Eurojet doesn't drone at all, and I'm fucking crazy. So it could just be me.
Right.
I did like it. I had it for 2 years. I didn't get rid of it for a reason. I thought it sounded awesome on the outside. It was really toned, and even on the inside too. It's not just like, brah, here's some exhaust, brah. It sounds like it's refined. There was some work done to it. So I do recommend it as an exhaust. It doesn't fit my goal.
Cool. So I'm just gonna end it off here, guys. Remember to like, remember to share, and remember to subscribe. We'll always have videos like this. If you guys have any ideas for us, anything that you guys might want us to do, we're more than happy to help it out. Yeah, so catch you guys on the flip side.